Hello friends, Tony here. Now I'm going to show you how to add live search input in our project with Livewire in 3 simple steps. So let's open the VS Code, and first of all you need to create a component, and I have created and I named search. In the class component I just defined the search property with an empty string, and then in the render I created this results variable to be equal with an empty array. Check if the string length of this search property is greater than 0. I'm going to say $results to be equal with, and here we perform the search how you want it, and then we return the view and pass in here the results. Then in the search blade component, in the input we have wire model. We bind the search input here, as you can see, and then I use the .live modifier, so as we type is going to make a request, but also I use this .throttle, so the throttle modifier, to make a request every 500 milliseconds. So every 500 milliseconds, as a user types, we are going to make a request. Then here we have for each results and display the title of the results. Then in the navigation, we just inject the component here. So I add div with the same classes we have in the navigation links and just inject the Livewire search component. And then, so let's save this and let's open the Chrome, refresh. Here is the search input, and let's search, for example, for this one. Just type here, and yeah, here is the search. As you can see, very easy with just 3 simple steps with a Livewire. Okay, now if you like such a videos, friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best.